Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Gamars. Today I am explain bicycle wheel flashing light host. Hey there, fellow cyclists. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we've got an exciting product to review that will not only keep you safe on the road but also add some style to your ride. I'm talking about the bicycle wheel flashing light, and in this video, we'll take a closer look at its features, performance, and whether it's worth the investment. First things first, let's talk about what exactly this bicycle wheel flashing light is. It's a simple yet innovative accessory designed to enhance your visibility while cycling, especially in low-light conditions or at night. It's a set of LED lights that easily attach to your bicycle's wheel spokes, creating a mesmerizing light show as you pedal. Now, let's dive into the features of this product. One of the standout features is its ease of installation. You don't need any special tools or technical expertise to set it up. Just wrap it around your spokes, secure it in place, and you're good to go. It's compatible with most bicycle sizes, so whether you're riding a mountain bike, a road bike, or a cruiser, this light will work for you. When it comes to performance, the bicycle wheel flashing light doesn't disappoint. The LED lights are bright and visible from a distance, making sure that you're noticed by other road users. It's not just about safety, though, it's also about having a blast while you ride. The flashing patterns and colors are customizable, so you can choose your favorite combination to make your bicycle stand out. Reliability is a significant factor to consider when investing in a cycling accessory, and I must say, this product holds up well. The lights are durable and water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about them failing in rainy conditions. The battery life is impressive, too. On a single set of batteries, you can enjoy hours of illuminated cycling. Besides its primary function as a safety tool, the bicycle wheel flashing light has a few extra uses. It can turn your bicycle into an eye-catching decoration during parades or events, and it's an excellent way to get your kids excited about riding their bikes. Plus, it's a conversation starter. You'll undoubtedly get some curious looks and questions from fellow cyclists and pedestrians. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons of the bicycle wheel flashing light. Enhances safety during night rides. Easy to install and compatible with various bicycle types. Customizable flashing patterns and colors. Durable and water-resistant. Multi-purpose use for decoration and attracting attention. May not be legal in all areas, so check local regulations. Some users may find the lights distracting in certain settings. The bicycle wheel flashing light is a fun and practical accessory for any cyclist. It offers enhanced safety, style, and versatility all in one package. While it may not be suitable for every situation, it's a great addition to your cycling gear, especially for evening rides or special occasions. If you're interested in adding some flair to your bicycle and improving your visibility on the road, I highly recommend checking out the bicycle wheel flashing light. I've included a link in the description below where you can find more information and purchase it. Host, that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cycling-related content. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe. Feel free to modify the script to match your personal style and channel format.